First, protect yourself. Always wear eye protection. Always wear rubber gloves. Wear old clothes. Next, protect your house. Spread out paper towels on the floor to soak up any liquids that may splash while you are working. And turn on the ventilation fan or open a window to vent any fumes. Unclogging a sink drain. Bail out the water from the sink. If you start with hot water, pour it straight down the drain rather than through standing water. If you use a plunger, remove the stopper or drain plug if you can. And make sure you are using the right type. For a sink, use a cup plunger. Seal the sink overflow outlet with duct tape or damp rag. Use quick, sharp plunges, up and down. You may have to work for some time. Be patient. Unclogging a bathtub drain. Unclogging a bathtub drain is all about removing that buildup of hair below the strainer or stopper. Remove the strainer and the stopper. Using a drain claw, insert the hooked end into the drain. Grab any hair that is clogging the drain. Unclogging a toilet. Many times, the clog is caused by toys and other items that kids have flushed down the toilet. Clogged jets around the toilet bowl edge can lead to a clog. Weekly toilet cleaning with a brush will prevent buildup. Before unclogging your toilet, make sure the toilet does not overflow while you work. Take off the tank lid and close the toilet flapper. Close the shut-off valve to the water supply line. Use a plunger following the procedure described earlier. Just use a flange plunger instead of a cup plunger.